welcome back to the channel and welcome to a clear coating video with the Dv1. I'm going to take you through 2 coats of clear on a couple of fenders, show you what the Dv1 can do. We're using PPG clear coat, mixed it 2 to 1 with a medium thinner. So enjoy the video guys, I'll see you at the end.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
First coat down on the fenders with the Dv1, dropped an immaculate first coat down guys. Look at that for a first coat. Really nice. These are flowing out nice now on the first. I just came round here, tripped over the hose and caught the side of this one. I just puffed a bit more clear over it, settled down alright, it's okay. But a really nice finish, as you can see, reflection in the first coat, absolutely bang on all of these. Absolutely amazing gun, highly recommend it. I've got the C2 cap on this, 1.3 running 2 bar. We've got the fan fully open, we just brought it in 1 full turn, and I'm running the fluid 1 1/4 turns out first coat, and we'll just open it up to 1.5 of the second because this thing pumps the clear out. So I'll see you in the next stage, which will be the last coat, and then we'll have a little pan round at the end. See you in a bit. all done. 2 coats with the DV1. If you are thinking of buying a DV1, I would highly recommend it. If you're a quick painter, go for the C2 cap. It speeds you up a bit and puts down an amazing finish, guys. It really does. Really does. Nice and flat. These coats are flowing out nice now, but all nice and uniform, clear coat job. So they've all come out really well. A couple of dirt nibs in this one, but the others nice and clean. So that's it for me today, guys. I'm going home and I'm back here tomorrow, so I might do another video for you. I'm going to use the A&I tomorrow, and we'll drop some clear coat down with the A&I I think it's the F160 or the R160, one of the two. But I'll see you tomorrow's video, dropping some more clear coat down. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, drop your comments, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Cheers.